Hello, this is Sanya Patel, and you're welcome to HW News English. Arvinder Singh Lovely, who resigned from his position as Delhi Congress president due to the party's decision to ally with AAP for the Lok Sabha elections, officially became a member of the BJP on Saturday. Well, this is not something new we have seen. Leaders leave the party and join another party, especially the BJP party. He joined the BJP party in the presence of Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, Delhi BJP Chief Virendra Sachdeva, and the party's National General Secretary Vinod Taude. At the BJP's headquarters in the national capital, along with Lovely, former Congress MLAs Rajkumar Chauhan, Naseeb Singh, Neeraj Basoya, and former Youth Congress President Amit Malik also joined the BJP. Last month, Lovely said he would not join any political party following his resignation as the Delhi Congress chief. In a letter addressed to Congress President Mallika Arjun Kharge, Mr. Lovely highlighted the incarceration of several Aam Aadmi Party ministers in corruption cases. He expressed dismay over the Congress's decision to ally with Arvind Kejriwal's party for the Lok Sabha elections despite these circumstances. This isn't the first time Mr. Lovely has parted ways with the Congress. He resigned as the party's Delhi chief back in 2015. Although he briefly joined the BJP in 2018, he returned to the Congress after 9 months. Under the seat-sharing agreement, AAP will contest in 4 constituencies: South Delhi, New Delhi, West Delhi, and East Delhi, while Congress will contest in 3: Northwest Delhi, Northeast Delhi, and Chandni Chowk. The Lok Sabha elections for the 7 seats in Delhi are scheduled for May 25. Following Arvinder Singh Lovely's entry into the BJP, the party's General Secretary Vinod Taude took a swipe at Rahul Gandhi regarding his candidacy from the Raebareli Lok Sabha seat in Uttar Pradesh. He said, and I quote, "Raebareli initially had posters of Priyanka Gandhi. Congress workers were keen on her contesting from Raebareli. However, Rahul Gandhi filed his nomination from the same seat instead. PM Narendra Modi's slogan is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, which says save daughters, educate daughters. But the Congress slogan seems to be Beta Bachao, Beta Padhao. That means save the son, promote the son." Expressing frustration with such politics, Taude stated, "Fed up with such kinds of politics, Arvinder ji joined the BJP." Delhi BJP Chief Virendra Sachdeva about Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's imprisonment in Tihar jail in the liquor policy case commented, "One who loves Delhi can't stand with the person who has done corruption in Delhi." Well, that's all for this breaking news today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.